Today we're going to install some of the Volterra's HDF Faux wood Vigas. We're replacing these old Vigas that were actually falling off the house. They'd split, they're rotted, look terrible, and whoever did this originally did it correctly. They had a through bolt and they spun on the old Viga. They drill a hole in the Viga and then spun it on. So we're going to do the same thing. You just want to make sure you want to find center. And I'm just going to simply check about 3 spots to make sure I get centered correctly. We're not doing finished trim carpentry. This is a Spanish style viga. It doesn't have to be dead on. I'm going to drill a pilot hole, 1/2 inch bit, make sure we're square. What's out there now is it's a 5/8 threaded rod. So what I'm going to do is drill a 3/4 inch hole, and I pre-measured, put a piece of tape on there, and that's the depth that we want. The rod out there is approximately about 12 inches. We have about a 15-inch viga, so don't want to drill a hole right through the face of the viga. Actually, the old ones actually had that. Just sort of eyeballing it here to make sure we're not way out of square. Plastic that it came in, so we're not making too big a mess. So yeah, there's our hole. What we're going to do, make sure do a dry fit on first, and then I'm just going to put some adhesive around it and stick it to the wall. And then I'm going to take a 2.5 inch zinc exterior screw, just toe screw into the stucco, just to hold it there. It's not gonna, I mean, with that bolt coming through here and that peel construction adhesive, which I have right here. Let me show you. It's about what we use on everything. Most any Home Depot or Lowe's, you can find it. It's what we build our beams with and use it for any kind of fabrication we have and any kind of install. So yeah, we're going to climb up, do a dry fit, put the adhesive on, stick it on, throw the screw in, and we're done. Just slide this on. I'm going to give it a little twist just to get that glued on. So here's the old viga. See how it's cracked, it's gray, it's split. It doesn't look very good at all. We spent about 2.5 hours putting a new Volterra Vigas on. And they look great. They're going to look like that 10, 20 years from today. No maintenance whatsoever.